Good morning, all of you. Welcome to this channel, Gaon Ki English. I want to share our daily routine and importance of English. So, first of all, I am telling you importance of English. English is important. English is a international language. If you want to learn English speaking, if if you can go anywhere, if you can talk everyone. So, if you want to go abroad, so you can easily speaking conversation, foreign peoples. So, most of the peoples speaking English conversation. I want to suggest English is global language. So that's why I speaking English. English. So I am beginner. I want to improve my speaking English. It is very helpful and most of the teacher teach in English. Most of the colleges prefer करते हैं best most of the books available, most of the best books available in English में. So most of the institute teachings English में. So English today it is very important. learn English Learn to English. We can learn easily. It is a language. English is language. So I would like to suggest. So English topic you can easily learn. You can thought. So so I want to tell you, if you want listening to podcast English, you can listen to English podcast. It is international. We can gain knowledge international. So most of the most of the speaker in English language. So we can learn, we can gain knowledge our other country culture, politics, news and bar games. So it is all. So I when I speak, so may I have many problem face. I have lack of words, lack of sentence. So I am not speaking English. I am beginner. I am practicing. I am learning phase.